Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with a very interesting video for you guys. As you guys already know from the title, this is the Bengali bridal Chandan art, the kalka, and today I am here with a little twist. I normally do kalka on my forehead, but today I am doing it on my hand. So there is two reasons for this. The first one, I have got an infection on my eyes. So yesterday it was really itchy, and this morning I woke up with a painful eye, and then I realized the left eye is swelling. So this is how it looks right now. But yeah, the second reason is I thought of doing it on my hand because it's a Tuesday and I really don't want to miss out any videos this year. Finger crossed, touch wood. So that's why I thought of doing it on my hand, and guess what, I got really nice precision. So I hope you guys will surely enjoy this video, and if you do, you know what you have to do. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry for this no makeup face, but I'm not sorry even, because sometimes it's good to be bare face, you know. So that's it for me blabbering right now. Please get into this video. So yeah, that's it for the kalka Chandan art, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. As usual, follow me on all my social media handles for all the behind the scenes. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.